Vermitea is purely and naturally organic liquid fertilizer or foliar fertilizer derived from vermicast, which has disease control qualities. It is a brownish and translucent liquid extracted from vermicast or vermicompost and contains concentrated nutrients called macro and micronutrients, which are readily available for plant absorption. It has naturally occurring hormones that only nature can provide, and when blended with beneficial microorganisms, it helps suppress disease and resist pest infestations. Advantages of Vermitea. Compost is enhanced and is more potent than the compost itself. It is beneficial to microbes and can increase from 100 to 500 times more in compost tea than average compost, and it can be applied as a foliar spray and as root or soil drench. What is Vermitea Brewer? It is a device used to produce vermitea of superior quality. It is also designed to extract the nutrients and the beneficial microbes, while at the same time multiplying their population present in the compost. Materials needed in the production of vermitea: 2 kilos vermicast or vermicompost, 1 kilo brown sugar or muscovado or molasses, 30 liters untreated water. Water from deep wells is good. However, water with high concentration of salts, heavy metals, and carbonates must not be used. Chlorine from treated water sources can be removed by overnight evaporation. Pail, weighing scale, and 3-plug electrical outlet or extension wire with 3-plug outlet. Procedures in producing vermitea. Before using the unit, check the parts of the Vermitea Brewer. If it's intact and operational, especially the connections of the bubbler hoses and the fine and coarse outlet filters. Weigh 2 kilos of vermicast. Fill the agitator bottles with 2 kilogram vermicast. Put the barrels back to the bucket and close the agitator cups carefully and tightly. Make sure that the fine and coarse outlet filters are properly positioned. Lock the supporting rod using the nuts. Dilute 1 kilo of sugar in a small container and pour around the brewer. This will serve as food for the microbes. Pour untreated water up to the level marked on the bucket. Put back the cover of the bucket and attach the bubbler hoses of the aerators to its right connections. Set the aerators to high and plug in the brewer to start brewing. Brew it for 72 hours or 3 days. Check if the aerators are functioning well in order to produce vermitea of good quality. Proper control of oxygen input into the water is critical. The smaller the bubble size, the greater will be the exchange surface. Thus, the more efficient will be the oxygen transfer. After 72 hours, brewing is completed. Unplug the aerators. While the 2 aerators are unplugged, It is best to keep the aerator for the outside bubblers still plugged in until all the resulting vermitea in the bucket is consumed. Aerating the tea maintains the microbes' activity. Collect the resulting liquid solution of the concentrated vermitea using the faucet dispenser. Dilute 1 liter of concentrated vermitea with 15 liters untreated water, making a total volume of 16 liters or equivalent to the capacity of 1 knapsack sprayer. Other dilution ratio are 1:10, 1:5, and 1:1. Drench and spray plants or trees with diluted compost tea. Dilute and apply the remaining concentrated compost tea immediately, or preferably for not more than 8 hours after brewing. Application of vermitea. For orchards, vegetables, herbs, ornamentals, lawns, forest trees, rice, corn, and other crops. The most appropriate time is during the early morning, not later than 9 a.m. or late afternoon, but not earlier than 4 p.m. The frequency of application is twice a month or weekly.